video, I want to show you how you can extract icons being used in the application that is installed on your iPhone through App Store. One of such application that is installed on my iPhone, and I just love the icons that is being used in this application, and I want to use these icons even in my application also. So let me guide through how you can extract icons from. For this tutorial, you need to install Apple configuration app installed on your Mac. So if you haven't installed, you can install via App Store. Otherwise, you can open Apple configuration app like this. If you have connected your iPhone to your Mac, then your device will be listed here. Just double tap it, go to add apps. You may require to sign in using your Apple account. Let's do it. Okay, once you are signed in, it will list all the application that is being installed on your iPhone via App Store. So let's search for the app of my interest. It's Khalti. So this is the app from which I want to extract the icons. So let's click add. This will take a while uh, to complete the process. Once completed, you will be presented with this screen. From now on, you can ignore this application. What's happening here is Apple configuration app downloads the IPA you have selected into some temporary folder in your Mac, which is presented here. So let's open that folder. To go to that folder, press Shift Command G and then use this link. Here is the IP of our interest. Now just copy this and paste it to desktop. So from now on you can cancel all these things, and then let's move here. For this, just rename this app to zip and then extract this zip file. Inside this Kalti app there will be a payload. Open this and open this binary, show package content. Now here you can see asset.car. This file contains all the assets that are being used in the application, such as icons, images, or all other media files. So this is the file of our concern. We can copy this and then paste here. You can remove all the other files. You cannot directly open this file in the Mac. You need an application called Asset Catalog, which you can get from this link below. Once this application load asset.car, you will find all the icons and other images. You can actually select the icons of your interest, or you can export all from this menu. Export all images. So let's see here. Now close this and let's see what's going on here. These are the icons of our interest. So look, that's it for now. If you like this video, then you might like the future video as well. So you can subscribe, like and share this video.